Recording is on, and today is the 12th, right? Today is the 12th July 2020, and we are having a Sunday fun aging call. And all the DJCCs and all the PES juniors, do you have concluding and creating all the oldings in your body? Would you be willing to destroy and unkill all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, online, short, boys, and beyond. So what fun are we going to have today? Have you brought your body along? Or is it still sleeping?
Kamal, there would be somebody new here who might not be knowing the PES juniors and DJCCs. Maybe
Okay, so sorry. Thank you, Nipi. And all those who are new here, just now I said something very weird, right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, online, shorts, boys, and beyonds. This is our clearing statement. This is the magic wand we have in Access. And it works, even if you don't know what it is about. Even if you don't know the meaning of every word. Even if your head goes, what did she say? It still works. It is the magic wand. But if you really want to know what it is, because in the beginning when we come, we are so linear. We want to know everything. How it works. Unless it makes any sense to us, it's discarded. So you can go to theclearingstatement.com and hear the declaring, the meaning, whatever, the energy that you get from it from Dane He's voice himself. He is the co-creator of Access Consciousness. And most of us here are from Access Consciousness. So that is a modality. I call it a way of life. You can call whatever works for you. The tagline of this is, it empowers you to know that you know. Do you know? Do you know anything? Or everybody else knows, but we don't know. Everywhere you are functioning from them, let it go. Just let it go. What you know of you, the magic that you are for you, that you can be for you, nobody else can. What you can perceive and know and be for you, nobody else can ever know you. Sometimes I don't even know myself. Do you know yourself? No, sometimes no, right? So DJCC stands for decisions, judgment, conclusions, and computations. Whenever we go into deciding something, and we are so fond of judging everything, ourselves more than anybody else, and we also go into conclusion. This is it. That's the way it is supposed to be. This is the way everybody does it. And then
Kamal, Vanisha waiting out.
Then we compute. Okay, sorry.
Two of them are waiting.
Thank you. So then we keep computing in our head. Oh, this doesn't work. Oh, that works. Oh, I should be doing this. Oh, why didn't I do that? Why did somebody else do that? All that is computing. All that is creating, concluding and creating all the oldings in your body. Once you know that, would you be choosing that? Would you be choosing to decide, oh, I'm 40 years old, now I should get specs. Oh, I am 55, I can't jump now. My legs will give in. Is that true? So how many decisions, judgments, conclusions, and computations do you use to create no growth hormones in your body? Everything that is, would you be willing to let it go? That's what we mean by saying destroy and uncreate it. Destroy means not destroy you or anybody else. Destroy that garbage, that baggage, those belief systems, those points of views that are not letting it go. So let it go. And uncreate means you are the one. We believe that you are the one who created whatever is, wherever you are. You don't get to blame anybody in Access. It's bad, really. In the beginning, I thought, my God, I love doing that, and now I can't even do that. So, how many?
Sorry, Kamal, Satyendra waiting out from long.
Thank you, darling. Thank you so much.
Sorry.
I love you, Mamta. So how many decisions, judgments, conclusions and computations do you use to create degeneration of your body rather than generation of your body? Will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 9 shots, boys and beyond. That's when we say it's like it goes away. We think we have to do something for things to go away. We think they can't go away just because just like that. You have to do something. No, just try this for a few days. Even if you don't believe it, just for the fun of it, just because you can, just try it. Everything that you don't like in your life, even if you don't know what these words are, even if you don't remember them, just say, go, or whatever Kamal said. Or whatever those ladies there sitting said. Because our first language is an energy. So all of you, will you be willing to lower your barriers and be present here today? What would that create? If you were just present here, getting the energy, even if you don't get the words, just getting the energy that we all be. Hi, the new ones, Ranjana, and the ones I can't see, Seema, Renu, and the ones who are hiding. All of you, welcome, 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 welcome. So all the patterns you have, the way you do things, the way you choose to move around during the day, all the patterns of harmony, all the patterns of disharmony that hold you. Rather than choosing who you truly are, rather than asking what will it take for me for it to be greater than what it is, what I have imagined. And how can I use this 1 hour to my advantage? And everything that doesn't allow that, let it go. Just let it go. Just like that. It's so easy. We think life is very tough. We think it's hard. It isn't. Everything you give attention grows. Everything you just let go will go. Let go meaning don't run it in your head. Let go meaning don't sit in the story. Let go meaning don't tell people what's going on. Don't tell yourself what talk about people when it goes in what goes in your head. I love saying that. What goes in your head and what comes out of your mouth gets created, guys. You're that powerful. You are that powerful. You don't think you are. Nobody told you. You are the magic, the miracle of creation that is happening around you. Did you ask for the air to be pure? Did you ask less traffic on the roads? Did you ask the beaches to be free? And it's your ask, darling. It's your ask that's happening. The day you start acknowledging that, you start creating magic in your life. Okay, guys, I can just go on talking and talking and you'll get bored. This woman talks too much. So I would like you to know, I would like you to ask some questions. Your questions will take this call to wherever, beyond your imagination. Yes, yes, Sanjali, saying you want to ask some questions? Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Little louder, darling.
Yeah, hi.
Hello.
Just joined.
Yeah, you just joined, but I know you're in Access.
Yes, yes.
Hi, Usha. So, what is your question about body, about yourself, about aging, about fun? You know, a lot of people ask me, what's the right next step to take? And I am like, just take it, whatever is showing up. The next step that is in front of you. Ask a question. If it's light, go ahead with it. Just start. The path to reaching someplace, if you're going for a holiday, if you're going, you have to start, right? You can't just keep sitting on your chair and saying, okay, what do I do now? Just start. The path to successful anything. I mean, let's not make it successful and let's not make it as a judgment. But to creating anything, to choosing anything, to making food maybe, to getting up and go to that room maybe, you have to start. So now start. Everybody is quiet. Okay, we are done. Bye-bye.
No.
Indra will say something.
Yeah, I want to be joyful throughout the day.
So what stops you? Choose it. If you have to be joyful all the day, just choose it. What stops you?
Aren't we reading the chapter?
Sorry?
Aren't we reading the chapter?
No, it is about fun aging and there is no chapter. We are the chapters.
All right.
We are the chapters. We are the, you know, there is nothing outside of you.
Yes.
Nothing exists outside of you. Nothing has a, short of words, nothing has a beingness. Nothing appears into existence on their own. You are the creator. You give names. You give names. You define. Then they come into being for you. They depend on you. They depend on consciousness. You are consciousness. You are not outside of this entire universe. This entire universe is you. It is not, it doesn't exist without you. Each one of you, your own universe is your own consciousness is, it depends on your consciousness. Am I making any sense?
Yes, yes.
There is no projection, there is no experience outside of consciousness. Everything is inclusive. We cannot exclude anything. So if you are inviting olding, aging, it's you. You to be blamed for that. So come on, guys, wake up. It's Sunday morning, I know. Nobody wants to get up that early, and this Kamal, idiotic woman, wakes us up early in the morning. Come on,
Yeah.
tell me what's showing up. Anything is showing up, just ask. There is no stupid question. Gary, you all know, you are all in Access, and some people who are not in Access say that there are no irrelevant questions, there are no small questions, there are no stupid questions. You know, growing up, our teachers and our parents and our mothers told us, "What question pushti hai?" She asked too many questions. She's disrupting the class. She's a bad student. But in Access, we say if you don't ask questions, there are no stupid questions, but people who don't ask questions are stupid. So, come on, ask questions. What happened to Vanisha, who doesn't stop asking questions?
Yeah, Kamal, I'm just here. I'm asking my question.
Hi, Shilpi. Lovely to have you here.
Hello, good morning.
Lovely to see you, girl. How are you?
I'm very good. How about you?
I'm good too. And now
I
it's
just got up and
better.
I just got up and I saw your, on the Facebook, the page. I just connected.
How did I get so lucky?
Same here.
So what energy do I have to be an invitation to wake up people out of their beds?
Can I make some comment?
Yes, please, go ahead.
Before getting into
Can we
conscious,
mute you, darling? Yes.
yes. So before getting into access consciousness,
Yes.
so asking question was stupid.
Yes. Yes.
Being here, not asking question is stupid, I suppose. There is no
Exactly.
stupid question. Not asking question itself defines you as stupid. This is my point of
Exactly. And that is I had to learn it at the age 63. What about you? You people are lucky. You got to know that you can ask questions, that you are never wrong. That's the beauty. That's the first thing that attracted me to Access was, my God, I'm never wrong.
Good.
And in this reality, we ask question and we wait for the answer. And in Access, they say, once you ask the question, then let go of the need to control and be in allowance. Okay, universe, show me. And functioning from wonderment and curiosity. Oh, now what? Okay, now what? What can we have now? What will this show up? I asked this question. What is this going to show up? Instead of asking question in this reality used to be, I know the answer. This is what I want. Please give it to me.
Again, one more.
Ask from a place of curiosity, wonderment, trusting that the universe is working on your behalf, that it has your behalf, in tune with your awareness, and notice what feels light. It before it brings it to you, it lets you know. It gives you the information through your body. Oh my God, this is going to work. And then take the inspired action. Then be guided by what next? What do you have to do? What do you have to choose? Above all, trust that everything is showing up for the highest good, for the good of all. Because you cannot choose only for yourself. You cannot have it only for you. It's a we universe. Remain grateful for whatever shows up. Whatever it shows up, without judgment, without any point of view, and keep asking questions. If you just follow that, there is nothing stopping you from creating the life that you desire. Nothing. No thing. Hello. Some new Mr. Bhatti, Miss Bhatti joined. Welcome. Okay, guys, I can't go anywhere without questions. Now I'm so fond of, hi Jalpa, how are you? Long time.
Yes.
Welcome, lovely to have you back.
You just flashed early morning, like first thing, like what am I looking at today? And I see a Zoom message.
Yeah, I just now told them. I asked in the morning, what energy can I be to wake people out of their beds? Just by asking, I created all of you here. How does it get any better than that? And what else is possible? There are a lot of people who are writing something in the chat, and I am really not very good at that.
Good morning, ma'am.
So what questions do we have, darling? Shikha, how are you?
How do I become better at asking using the chat box?
Sorry, Satish, a little louder, darling.
I said, how do I become better at using the chat box with ease?
Yeah, I love you for that. And why do I need to look at it? Aren't you all there to look at it? Everywhere I'm making myself wrong for not looking there. I destroyed and created all.
Oh, some
And better is a judgment.
Correct. What I mean to say is some people are comfortable chatting than coming live.
I'll be your chat.
So maybe, thank you, Namrata, and maybe I'm pulling them out of that. What if you were an infinite being, you can do anything, what you choose to. It's not fun for me to look at the thing and I'm not going to choose it. See, I just told myself, and Namrata is saying, Dr. Namrata is saying, I will do it for you. There are people, what would it take for you to employ the universe for eternity? Instead of making yourself wrong, I can't do this, I should get better at it. I don't want to do it. I can do it, but I don't want to do it. I wonder how much joy I can have in being alive, choosing what I really desire to do instead of what I have to do. Every one of you who is saying I should, I could, I would you get out of all of that, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, pod, online, short, boys and beyonds. Okay, so what do we have?
From 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
Indira wants to say something. She's unmuted herself.
Kamal, I just wanted to ask about body.
Wanted to ask about?
I want to take the thing body.
What body? You are
Yeah,
in the
if
body,
I talk
you are in the body group, you don't.
Kamal, see, fun aging, if I would talk, but I'm just presenting. My question to you is, how do you outcreate the fun? While aging, outcreate the fun. Having a lot of fun while being, me and my body can have the fun. Being into the stepping into the aging thing.
Is it, Vanisha, is it an effort? Is it work?
कमल अभी तो फन नहीं हो रहा ना उतना
Do you have to do anything about it? Or it's just a choice?
नहीं, it's just a choice.
Then what's stopping you?
Just a choice.
What's stopping you
definitely.
from making every moment joyful?
The point of views and the judgments I'm carrying and I'm holding on to,
Tathastu, hold on to them.
which I am now right at the moment ready to erase and release from all the infinite years.
Just do it. Change, 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 change. What needs to change today? Here it goes.
Yes.
And it actually goes if you do not have a point of view. If you have a point of view, this Kamal, my God, what is she saying? How can you do like this and it go away? Tathastu, it will not go away. Have you heard this tool that we have, the new tool that we just discovered? Your point
Yes,
of view
you
creates
just-
your reality.
Yes, Kamal. Yes. Yes. And you know, every molecule of my body is asking and is like pakadofying and saying, ki,
Wake up.
Vanisha, come out of it. Come out of it. You know, every cell of my body, even I'm starting feeling the itching over here around my face. So it's saying something.
How much,
Vanisha, release all the point of view.
how much significance are you giving it to? How much attention are you giving? Try giving attention to a baby, to a child, and then try telling it to go off.
Okay, जब attention दे रही हूँ उस baby को, then that baby is like, you know, is a attention seeker and doing that thing into a multiple thing. And when I'm just saying, okay, do whatever you want, then that will be a playful and joyful.
No, do whatever you want. Look at the energy of that. Do whatever you want. What if you told your body, get out? What? Listen, Vanisha. What if you told your body, gave it a hug, and told your body, what would you like to look like, darling? How would you like to show up in the world, darling? Bodies like to be lusted upon. Body like to look good. Give it a try.
Yes.
Give it a free hand instead of, oh, this is not right, that's not right, you're not doing right, you should be doing right. Instead of those control systems that you function from, what if you let it go? What if you ask body, show me, what would you like to look like? Who would you like to look like? What would you like to look like? What would you like to create in your body? How would you like to show up?
Yeah.
Just try it for a few days and then see what it works or doesn't work.
Yeah, that's very light.
Are you willing to be kind to yourself?
Yes.
Are you willing to be gentle with yourself?
Yes.
Yes, Satish. What's going on? What is the question?
Sorry, I was not aware. I was not on mute.
Not aware of what?
I was not on mute, so that I was not aware of. Sorry about it.
No, I thought you wanted to ask a question. Okay, so what is the one step you can take today?
Judgment I have about myself and the ideas. Yeah.
Sorry?
All the judgments I may want to let all the judgments I want to let it go about myself.
So what's holding you from letting it go? What's stopping you?
Everything that is. Everything that is, can I let it go right away?
Do you want to let it go? You can keep pocking and podding till the cows come home. Nothing will change. Are you willing to let it go? Are you willing to step up? Are you willing to choose different? Or you're just going
Yes.
into, I can't, why do I do this? Why should I, blah, 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 blah. Oh, I'm willing. Demand of you, request of the world, and seduce it into you. Invite it into you. The change that you desire. It's that easy. It actually is that easy, I'm telling you.
Yes.
Even if you don't believe it now, just try it. So, what is the one step you can take today on that road of non-judgment?
A
Can
choice.
you be grateful everywhere? Can you acknowledge everywhere you do choose that? Even for a second, even for
10-second
a
increment.
nanosecond?
Is it?
Can you pat yourself and say, wow, I could choose that this moment? And what would it take for me to have more of that? I'm so happy I've achieved that. I'm so happy I can do it. Oh, it wasn't very hard. It was just a choice away. And every little choice and every little acknowledgement that you make, and you acknowledge it and tap yourself and be grateful, it will show more of that. More of that will just flood into your life without you realizing it. You don't have to make any effort to do anything. Just be you. Be what I mean. What do I mean by be you? Be you. When you are being you, you are in that state of ease. Your body is like flying and you have no traffic jam and you are, hi. You're like that. And whenever you are like that, even for a second, say, can I have more of that, please? Can I have more of that, please? Get over yourself. that is so getting into you to just keep running about you are wrong and they are wrong and you are wrong and society is wrong and this is wrong and that is wrong. Is it working for you? Am I making any sense, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes, very much.
Are you willing to choose that? And every time you choose that, you take few years away from your life. You get younger. People around you start looking at you and saying, what are you doing? What cream you are doing? How much walk are you doing? What are you eating? Those things don't do anything, guys.
मौसम ऐसे
They just maybe add on to it. But they on their own won't do anything. You, your choices, your every moment making you choosing to make every moment beautiful, joyful, peaceful, choosing to be, no matter what happens, I am choosing this. Because I can. No reason. Everywhere you need a reason and a justification to choose something. Will you please let it go? Just let it go. Can you make a song out of it? Let it go, let it go. Have fun with it.
It's from Frozen.
Everything you do. Yes, Namita?
Yeah, it's from Frozen. No, let it go, let it go.
Yeah.
Can't hold it back
Namita, you make anybody who can sing can make a song out of
There
it.
is a song.
There is?
There is a
Okay.
song
Can you
already.
post it?
Yes,
Can you post
I
it?
love that song. It's from Frozen by Elsa.
Okay.
It's like
Hi.
this. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
Beautiful. Just put it on the group, please.
Yeah, I'll sing and put.
Yeah. Yeah, do that. How much fun. Hi, Renu. I have my sister here.
Yeah, I just saw it as a let me jump on.
Yay, that's my sister. Bindu, Seema, and Renu. There are 3 sisters here, and I tell them, there. So I'm showing off my sister today, Renu. Is Renu doing?
I like being shown off. I wish I was better dressed.
Hello.
I'm still in my night dress.
That's
Hi,
okay.
Shruti.
That's okay. There are a lot of people who just woke up.
Hi.
Good morning,
Everyone. Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Hi,
morning. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Lovely to have you.
Thank you. Lovely to be here.
So, guys, any more questions or we are done?
I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah,
You have to be louder, doctor.
Yes. Can you talk about willingness to have money or
Little
have
more
things?
louder. Anybody can hear her? Or it's my ears.
Hello?
Yes.
Can you
that's
talk
better.
about willingness to have money or anything?
So, you willing to have means you don't have, right?
I do have. I'm willing to have it more.
Yeah. Ask your money to make you more
Wow.
money. I every day ask my money to make me more money. What will it take for you to make me more money? What you have, do you acknowledge?
Yes.
If you're asking for more, from the lack, you are doing judgment, which creates a need. And if you're asking for greater, then something different can show up. So are you willing to ask for, oh my God, what else is possible? See, these are 2 beautiful questions. How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? How much energy do you have to use against you to fight a point of view? That you don't have it, now you have to have it.
I don't have that point of view.
So
I also create
your
like
question, darling, everybody here, when she asked that question, what did you all get? When she asked, I want money, what energy did you all get? Was it coming from abundance or lack?
Lack.
So how many points are you using to damage your financial situation? Are you choosing?
72 now.
And everything that is, would you be willing to let it go? Let it go. Just let it go. So can you change the sentence, Doc?
yeah.
Hello, Dr. Namrata. Can you change your question?
Yeah. What will it take me to have more and more money? Willingness to have more.
More and more. Question is a question when you don't know the answer. Here you know the answer. What is more and more for you, darling?
So my question is like, I'll just explain. I generate things in the universe, but I don't keep it to myself. Like I used to feel little uncomfortable. So I'll give it to somebody else. It was like that. So I have this capacity of generating anything, but how can I develop that willingness?
Okay. There's so many conclusions, not a single question there. Okay, so what I get is that we are so good at creating money and we are so good at spending money, right? All of you here.
The main thing is not the focus is not money. Focus is change into the world, which I am creating. But I
So
am
what's
not
your
willing
question?
to
You're
have
already
it, so I give it
thinking that. So what's your question?
What
There
will
was
it
a
take me
question here,
to
what
have
would
it?
it be?
So what will it take me to have it? Like,
Have what? When you say you want to have something, that means you already don't have. Then tathastu, you will never have.
okay. So what question I can ask here?
Well, I don't even get the energy of what you're saying. What are you asking for? Let me get the energy of that. Can you give me that energy, please? Because what you're saying and what the energy is completely different. They are not in sync with each other.
Okay.
So what is your question? Are you willing to see it clearly? Are you willing to tap into the energy of what's showing up?
Yes.
And ask for that? What, can it be that simple? Or do you have to have a question? Our first language is the energy and the universe gets it. Universe just gets it. And you think that you have to have a very floral language and a very right apt question and then it will show up. No, you have to have that right energy. Right again is not a word I would like to use here.
एनर्जी अगर पा देती ना
एनर्जी पानी
कुछ ना किए
So what question can ask to have? Like I'm
Can
really
you
having
make it? Can you
So
make
what
it a little
question I can
louder,
ask?
doctor? It's painful. I can't hear you.
What question I can ask here?
Okay, ask this. If there was a question here, what would that be? Can you ask?
Okay.
Can you trust that when you ask that, the universe will show you, give you the awareness?
because they want
Yes.
The magic is there for you to perceive and receive. But when you get into this competition of what to say, what question, what, then it will happen. What if, please, can you all mute yourself? The magic is there.
Yes.
In coherence, in playing, want to desire to play with you. The magic is the co-creation of you, the being.
Yes.
And the body, of course. So all the shiku. Achha, what is shiku? Shiku is Shiku is secret, hidden,
Implanted.
S-H-I
Double C.
Covert, unseen, unacknowledged, something like that. Whatever that is, you get the energy. It's unconsciousness and anti-conscious.
Yeah.
An energy of fog that you have around the energy, that you have around you, that you have, that you create with your like, oh my God, what question to ask? What would be the right question? If I don't know the right question, it won't come forward. Oh, all that is just creating a fog around you. And you're stopping your inner magic by just allowing yourself to perceive.
Actually, really,
Can I unmute you? Oh, whoever is, there is a lot of talk.
There's not a straight line. You see, it all depends upon how the patient reacts. I mean, responds to the whole thing.
Who is? Excuse me.
I think.
Can you mute yourself, darling? Whoever you are.
So, this is not This is not the, I mean, it's the same ventilator, but this is
Is
not
somebody talking to me?
I mean, you're putting on a remote system.
It's
How do I mute everybody? Mute all. There you go.
Maybe you will have.
Okay. So, am I getting somewhere, Doc? Are you willing to let? Are you willing to let that fog go? Are you willing?
Yes.
Are you willing to just be you and ask a question? If there was a question here, what would it be? Universe, show me, hold my hand, take me along. I don't know what it is. I freaking don't know at this moment.
Yeah.
Though I know somewhere what I desire. And if energy is the first language, then what am I being that you're not getting, universe?
Wow. Yes.
And trust that.
I have a question.
Yes,
Come
yes,
on.
darling,
Thank
go
you
ahead.
so much.
What will it take for me to get up with the smile in the morning?
Okay, if you don't get up with a smile in the morning, do you make yourself wrong? Or you ask a question, okay, how can I make, what would make me laugh today? What would make me have fun today? What would make me be joyous today?
The smile comes generally if I go for walk, if I do yoga. Earlier I used to
So
wrong
everywhere
myself.
you decided that if I don't do that, then my life is not joyful. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all?
Yeah.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, all night, short, boys, and we have somewhere decided that our life should be like this. And who has decided that, and where did you buy it from? This reality. All the rights and wrongs. Now, those rights and wrongs that you bought from this reality, you have so entrained and ingrained in your body that now you cannot look beyond that. Would you be willing to look beyond that and say, oh my God, I'm an infinite being. Why would I choose? I can choose happiness in every now moment, no matter what. Even if I don't do exercise for 20 days, or even if I'm sleeping in bed for 10 days, can you do that?
So there's a kind of haze. If that smile is not there, then there's kind of haze, which goes away. The energy gets dissipated when I do some physical exercise.
Yeah, okay. So what if you're not making that wrong, and if you're making, if you be, can you be grateful for that? Oh my God, it's reminding me to go for a walk. What if that was the information your body was giving you? Instead of you making yourself wrong, I didn't do it, I did this, that. You say, oh my God, body, okay, you want to go for a walk? Okay, let's go. And then you're your joyous self.
But even then, body knows this, but it still wants to, lie down, don't go.
And can you ask questions? Do you have this tool with you? Or do I have to give you again? That, okay, body, what do you want? Can you trust that then? Can you do what you get? And what if it wasn't wrong lying in the bed? Everything that's going around is your point of view, darling. Whatever your body is saying is your puppet. If you give your body a free will, it will let you know, I don't want to go for a walk. I don't like exercise today. Maybe tomorrow I will go. And that could be okay too. Everything is wrong if you make it wrong. Your perception makes it wrong. It's nothing is wrong. Like I was saying, that consciousness exists because of you and for you. What are you being at this moment? What are you choosing at this moment? That's what is Tathastu. No right, no wrong, no good, no bad. The truth is that the energy you put into making yourself do things, making yourself, judging yourself, is what's going to be created. It's what's going to show up outside. Am I making any sense?
Yes. Thank you.
Hello. If you promised yourself never to go into the wrongness for at least 1 week, you can pick it up later. Just tell me what shows up. Even for a few hours, if you don't go into the wrongness of you. Because your first reaction, sorry to say, I've known you for 20 years. Your first reaction is to go into the wrongness. I know it's very they're so entrained in us, they're so there that it's very difficult to let them go. I can get that. Be kind to yourself. Ask yourself, what am I defending for and against? Truth, where would I be if I didn't judge myself, if I didn't go into the wrongness of me? Is this the change that you're asking for, Nippy? And are you willing to receive that?
Yeah, thank you.
And can anything overpower you? You are an infinite being. Can sleep or no sleep or walk or no walk can overpower you? What is the value? What is the value of holding on to that? You are the molecule of possibility and you are the quantum entanglement. Stop making yourself finite. Stop making yourself a pile of poo. Poo is point of order. And of course, there's a pun. So, what else is possible? Guys, any more questions? You have 6 minutes to go. Hello. Hi, Guneet or Kinjal. Who is wanting to talk?
Me itself, Kinjal.
Okay, Kinjal, go ahead.
I am feeling very much light by your energy. You are very enthusiastic and your energy is awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to ask you that I want to lose weight, but I am not able to do it.
Are you not able to do it or you're not choosing it? Hello? I went for a while. Hello, 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 hello. Can you people hear me now?
Yeah, now you are audible.
Okay, so your question was that I'm not able to do it.
Yes.
So what makes you not do it? Not choose to do it? What if it was just a choice?
I feel that my love for food doesn't make it happen.
Sorry?
My love for food doesn't make it happen.
Your love for food?
Yes.
There is no conclusion there, right?
Don't know.
What's the question? Ask your body. Ask your body, you really love food? And what do you get? Just ask now. Ask now. Okay,
Yes.
close your eyes,
Yes.
put your hand on your body and lower your barriers. Lower your barriers. And become present and aware with your body. And ask. Body truth. Put truth before that. Body truth.
Truth.
Do you
Truth, body, what would
lot
you
of
like
food?
to have?
Do you really like lot of food? And what do you get?
Yes.
No. Again ask. Please, everybody here who are here at the call, be present with it and get the energy of what she's saying and and let me know. Okay, Kinjal, close your eyes, come within you, get present in your body and ask yourself, body, truth. Do put truth before that. Body, truth. Do you really like food the way I like it, the way I am? I have that energy because your energy is a lot of food. So ask your body, do you really like a lot of food? Truth. What do you get?
Whenever I eat food, no, I became happy. And when I go on diet, my nature change. I get angry, frustrated.
Yes.
And whenever
I agree to all that. I agree to all that. There are only two universes. Either you eat or you go on a diet. What does your body want?
Yes.
Are you in communion with your body? What does it want? Diet is dying, death. The meaning of and the energy of diet is death. Don't choose that. But eating doesn't mean go on eating. Are you in communion with your body? Does when your body tell you to stop, do you stop? You know, body wants to have chana patura and you start having 2, 3 of them. Body just wants half or one. Body is asking for aloo ka paratha and then you have 3, 4. Body is just asking for one. Can you get in communion with your body? By asking questions?
When I eat one piece of sweet, I didn't get satisfied. When I eat 2, 3, then only I get satisfied.
Whose point of view is that? There is no question. I'm asking you to ask a question. You're talking about history. Past is gone. Past is gone. If you want to live in the past, if you want to give attention to past, you keep creating the past, present, future from the same energy. If you're asking a question to change something, are you willing to change or where are you judging your body? Where are you judging it? What if it was okay to have a full chocolate? Who says it's not okay to have a full chocolate?
Okay.
Who says? Your point of view creates your reality. If you go into, oh my God, I can't stop having one, I have a full chocolate, that's what is making wrong. And your body is listening. Universe is listening. Now body thinks it's wrong to have it. And you have also told it, then you will get fat. Body says, Tathastu, I will make you fat. Wait and see.
So how can I communion with my body?
By asking a question every time you eat and tell your body, okay, let me know when it's done. And then honor it. When you don't feel like eating the next bite, leave it. Even if it is half a chapati left in your plate. Even if half a chocolate is left. Are you willing to work for it? You have to work. You can't just keep asking questions and then, oh, मैं तो खाती जाऊंगी अब वो करेगा ठीक क्या? And with the point of view. Okay, खाते जाओ is not a point of view.
Okay, I will ask question to my body
and no judgment. And no judgment diet.
Okay.
No judgment. Keep doing what you want to do. Whenever ask a question to your body, okay, body, let me know when, because in the beginning you have not listened to your body for long. And the body is going to say, wow, what are you talking about? Never she asked me and today she's asking me. So let the body trust you that you really mean what you're saying. You always controlled it. You always told it, oh, this is the way it has got to be. You have to have only one chapati. I put you on a diet if you don't. if you put on weight. No, body is scared of you, darling.
Okay.
Body is your obedient servant. It says tathastu. It says, yes, sir, whatever you say. And you now confuse the body by telling the body, okay, body, you let me know. Body is going to say, my God, what is she talking about? Never before she has asked me. And now you have to build a trust with your body.
Okay.
So give it some time. Don't judge what you eat. Before you start to eat, come into your body and ask your body, okay, body, tell me when to stop. And tell me what you want to eat. It will surprise you. Things you thought you never liked, you might start liking. And the things you liked so much, you might stop eating. I used to love rasgullas. When I started talking, my body said, okay, I just want one or two sometimes. Not like an idiot, you have 12 of them together.
Okay.
Right? So if you're in communion with your body, are you with us on the group of body?
No.
So get on it. We talk a lot about body. We were talking about ease and fun with body last week, and this week it is body and fun, and it's just 500 rupees for 7 days of a Zoom call. I give an audio, I give clearing, and we ask questions in the group. 1 full week of asking questions about body. How much fun are we having?
A lot. It will start from tomorrow?
No, it has already started. It started on the 10th. Today is the 12th, second day. No, third day. So I can send you the chat of previous one. You can join.
Okay. Will you have another call after this call?
Every Sunday we have a fun aging call.
No, that whole week wala call. Do you?
I think it's on the 14th, maybe 13th, 14th. We have a call tomorrow or day after.
You are starting.
Kinjal, I missed you. I went away for a while. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sorry I missed you. I went away for a while.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Thank you
for your question, darling. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Anybody else before we wrap up? It's time already. Hello. No more questions. We are done.
Yeah, so grateful.
So you can ask a question to yourself. What else can what next can I choose today?
Yeah.
Regarding anything, your body, your fun, your body loves fun. Your body likes to look good. Your body likes to move. If you are in communion with it, you'll know what next.
Kaval,
Yes, Renu.
you spoke about degeneration.
Okay.
You spoke about degeneration earlier, no? Don't you think it's a natural process?
How natural it is according to the point of view that you have. If
the body gives you awareness and signals, and you start responding spontaneously about it, degeneration of bones or something.
No, body doesn't give you signals. You give body the direction. Like for example, you say, you hear somebody say, 40 साल के हो जाओ तो ऐनक लग जाती है. And then you buy into that reality. And you say, oh my God, I'm 40. 40 years के हो जाओ तो ऐनक लग जाती. And you say, oh God, I'm 40. What have you done? You have bought that point of view. Now your body heard you. Now body will start creating what you are asking it for. Otherwise, how many people have specs, Renu, at 40? Not all of them. Only few, the ones.
I don't have.
That's what I'm saying. Only few.
I don't have at 63.
Yeah, only those who have a point of view. So, अगर आपने you have proved your own point of view by asking. लोगों को 40 साल पे ऐनक लग जाती है, आपको 63 पे भी नहीं लगी. Your point of view creates your reality. It's nothing to do with nature.
But what about the aches and
Nature is
pains?
in sync with you. Nature does, nature, universe does what you want it to be done. What you are asking to be done.
I went to an orthopedic and he said your router is getting degenerated. So it has all the pains
So
and everything
did
in
you
that.
buy into that? Did you say, okay, fine? Or did you say, body, is that true? Did you ask a question? Did you ask your question?
No,
Yeah, so you please don't buy into what people say, what doctors say. Doctors just generalize it. If I can remove my specs at the age 64, when I wore it when I was in 7th class, I got my specs when I was in 7th class, and I removed it at age 63. How many people have done that? Is that even possible?
No.
So, you are not from this reality, darling. Don't try to fit into this reality. You are a humanoid. You are the creator of your reality. What are you choosing? What are you buying into?
That's true.
So those are the major aspects of things that are stopping us from being who we truly be. We made them true. We made them right. We made them correct. And everywhere you're trying to fit into that, instead of perceiving, knowing, being, receiving what's true for you, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all night, short, boys and beyonds. It's our time to play, to receive, to explode, to choose, to receive, and to create the reality that nobody else here knows. Only we know. Are you willing to choose?
Awesome.
Are you willing to choose something beyond reality? I guess, because you're all here.
Yes. Yes. Thank you, Kaval. Thank you.
So many choices, so much fun, so much possibilities. They are just floating around. It's our time. Let's play. Now we know it. All this time we didn't know it. Nobody ever told us. I think they kept a secret from us.
I want your energy.
What if it's
think that way?
Just have it. Here you go. What if it's a gift that you don't get? It is a gift, but you are not willing to get. You're not willing to perceive, nor be received. You're not willing to acknowledge that it's there for a take. It's there just to choose.
I understand everything, but there is a but which comes in.
You have a big butt, Renu. Butt is the only butt you sit on. What if it didn't take time? We say, oh, I have to do something and then it will happen. What if it didn't take time? What if it took just choice? This choice, now, this moment. Every choice you make creates your life. What choices are you making?
I'm making lots of choices now.
Yeah, you have no point of view, then you can create your reality. These point of views hold you. They are boulders. They are nowadays क्या ये हमारे यहाँ, if you come to my house, you have to cross 2 fields. There's little kacha between 2 fields. You have to take that. That field, that kacha on both sides is full of bhang.
Oh.
And there are people, youngsters sitting there having party every day. You have to cross all that to come to my house. Would I just stand there and say I won't go because there are these idiots sitting there having bhang? No, nobody's going to stop me. What is stopping you? If you have no point to you, then you can create your reality based on what's possible, not based on this, that, and the other. Not based on what you've decided it has to be. Not based on, oh my God, this is how it is to be. This is how they say. They say it has to be.
Very true. Well understood.
Choose in every now moment. Ask yourself, oh, I'm feeling contracted. What can I choose now? To be me. You is happiness. You is joy. You take that away from you. Is that kindness? Is that kindness taking your joy away from you, taking your peace away from you? No. That is your innate ability and capacity. The being that you are is all joy, all fun, all ease, all glory, all abundance, all magnificence, all brilliance, all everything that I haven't mentioned. And you take all that away, you put it outside of you, and you invite the shit pile of poo. What for? What's the value?
So true, Kamal. Very true.
Everything that doesn't allow you to be you, to choose you, to create you, to have you, to acknowledge you, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it?
Yes, yes, yes.
You have to have a definition to figure out. If you didn't have a definition, you didn't have to figure out, then you just have to create and choose. And change. And choose what's working for you and what's not working for you. It's so much of freedom functioning from no judgment.
I agree.
So please destroy and uncreate your relationships with you, your home, your money situation, your family, each member at night, so that you are fresh, to choose new, to create new, to step into new, to jump off the cliff. Everything doesn't allow that. Destroy and create it, all right, wrong, good, bad, POC, online, short, boys and beyonds. Love you guys. It's 9:15. I think you should have a nice Sunday. Enjoy yourself. Nowadays, every day is a Sunday though. Love you guys. You can unmute yourself and say bye-bye.
Thank you.
That is if you want to.
Thank you.
No compulsion.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.